Now look at this. Hey! What?
Bro, I'm so hungry. I didn't eat all day long. Bro, me too. I'm gonna eat like 3 of them and then I'm gonna get extras. Okay, miss, that's enough. Bro, what is she? Okay, we're gonna get 2 slices apiece. 2 slices apiece, each of you. Bro, what the fuck? I don't even want this shit.
Oh, no. Oh, well, I tried to stop it. Guess I gotta watch another episode now.
Ah, finally, last piece. Like it?
Yo, that looks sick. Does it fly?
Going, bro. If you walk through that door, we're done. If you walk through that door, we're done. Wow.
Bro, I'm so hungry. What did mom make for dinner, bro?
Evaporated milk. Oh, that's gonna ball.
My mom just got me this cleaning stick, and I'm gonna test it by putting it up in my... It works!
Bark at your dog and see what they do.
Am I bleeding? Am I bleeding? Am I bleeding? Am I bleeding?
You ever look at your person and think to yourself, wow, how did I land you? You're the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my life, and I'm so grateful for you.
Made for dinner, bro.
Elbow macaroni. What the fuck?
Mama, I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Son, don't say that. We're not gonna let this COVID take you away, all right? You will have to fight. Please fight for me. Okay, Mama. All right, I'll fight for you. Thank you. What's this I hear about you missing 81 days of school? Don't die. Don't die. Don't.
I said, how the hell you gonna ootle snoops in the fucking lane jootle noops if you ain't got no pootle snoops? The pootle snoops is the fucking the boo noon chicken lane dootle noops, you know what I mean?
I'm gonna need to see your receipts. Ma'am, I need your receipt. It's literally Chex Mix. Don't care what it is, I need to see your receipt.
Receipts. Seriously? Thank you for shopping at Walmart.
I'm not gonna tell y'all again to get these rings picked up. I swear, these kids just don't even listen these days.
My wife telling me to come do the dishes. Haha, bitch, you come to—
Wash the fucking dishes and shut the fuck up! Fucking psychobabble bullshit asshole!
Daisy.
Oh,
Daisy.
Oh. It looks like you've got an effect on it.
march up the shell and how you're going to be using it in class. So be sure to open a laptop. What was that? Who watched something inappropriate?
Wake up. I said wake the fuck up. Sleepy time's over, little motherfucker. Let's go.
School ends in 3 months. Name one thing you learned.
Copy and paste. Too easy, bro.
Open the door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
Dula peep. I can't. Get out. Oh my god.
I was thinking about going there yesterday. Oh! I see. Sorry. He doesn't bite. He doesn't bite. He's really nice. Sorry. Come here, boy. Come here, Lucas. Come on. Come here. No, you're fine. It's okay.
I'm reading. I'm literally reading right now. I'm reading a book right now. I'm sitting here and I'm reading a book.
I don't know who needs to hear this, but do it. Just fucking do it.
Do not remove your card. Don't even think about removing your card. Don't even look at the card. Remove your card! Remove your card now! Take it out!
This is what happened when a guy was upset that I rejected him. Oh yeah, we fucked. Really? No way, bro. Dude, she was a virgin. Yeah, she was so tight. Is she coming to the party tonight? I don't know. Hey, is Romina coming tonight? I don't know, she's at my house right now, I'll ask. No, don't ask her. Just don't invite her. Why? 'Cause she likes me and she wants us to be a thing, and I don't feel comfortable with that. Why didn't you tell me you liked Sebastian? Huh? I don't. What? He just told me you do, and that you want to be in a relationship with him. What? No way. He's butthurt BC. He asked me out yesterday, and I said no, and he kept on asking why I don't want to date him. And I left him on read. This has been going on for months already, shows the receipts. He just told me he doesn't want you to come tonight. Are you coming? I wasn't planning on going, but now the hell I am. Tell him I'm not going.
You won't tell nobody, no. What? My water? What about it? What? What about it? Well, show me. Bitch! Dula peep. I can't. Get out. Oh my god.
I don't hate you, I just don't feel like talking right now.
Oh, thank God.
This show is always on another level.
What are you doing? Plants think like this. Allow me. Drink up. I've gotta go. But a guy your size, you're gonna want to stay out here for at least another couple of hours, right? Okay, time for me to leave. That's a plant show, since I don't love plants so much. Ciao!
I made a mistake. I put my Apple Pen down on a fucking blanket and it evaporated. No!
Who the fuck is Sarah?
I think I just shit my pants. I'm not sure though. Let me check.
Nah, I didn't shit myself, you little dummy. You thought I shit my pants.
Never mind, I did shit my pants.
I'm currently under my sister's bed, and I'm gonna scare her when she comes into her room.
Guys, I've been, oh my god, my computer's...
Dad! Daddy!
What's a video that lives in your head rent free?
This video kills me.
You're under arrest.
Oh my god.
You're under arrest. Hands up. Both of them.
I don't have another arm.
Oh my god!
Bon appetit!
Have you ever had someone tell you that you don't look bad, it's just the lighting? Well, it's absolutely true. Now, Ugly, right? Now, perfect.
How many times do I have to tell you guys this? I am not Travis Scott. I swear, if one more person tells me I look like Travis Scott, I'm just gonna...
Males that I would cheat on my boyfriend for. Wait. So number...
Hey baby gull. Are you single?
Me?
What that mouth do though? This
Don't be mad.
What in the hell? It's not enough that you work at McDonald's?
Is it cute?
It's cute.
This one's a little bit harder. What was Pangea?
I don't even know what the fuck Pangea is. What?
Where did the dinosaurs live?
Jurassic Park.
I saw my neighbor getting arrested for taking pictures, so I thought it'd help him out.
Yo, help me out, dude. Oh my god. Oh god.
Yo. Come here. Can you just fuck me down? Is that a yes?
What is something really stupid that you collect?
Bags of chips. I have so many for no reason. These are my favorite ones. They're cute, right? I have so many for no reason. I just have them.
Ooh, let's get crafty. We have this long shiny pink tongue and we're gonna slit it and roll it up, and then we're going to take some chopsticks and press it down so we have 4 coochies.
Corona trying to infect someone.
No. Ooh. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one.
Can I have some of that? Sorry about that.
Wait, because you...
That's why I didn't want...
Me when my mom takes my phone away and locks herself in her
Open the
room.
door or I'm gonna throw rocks through your windows, you dumb whore.
All my life, I thought I was the only one that... Yeah.
How your pussy feel, Michaela?
Waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. I just wish things would get better. I'm trying to get rid of them, but nothing seems to stay the same. Whoa.
Smile, but not with your eyes. Then, drop the smile and raise your eyebrows. Now smile again, but only with your eyes. Stick out your bottom lip a tad. Then smile with your eyes and your mouth, but not your forehead. Then, go...
What's that expensive item that you purchased that's 100% worth the money?
E vamos fazer salmão.
Right, Cameron, so what exactly seems to be the problem today? So, right.
I'm having a fucking panic attack right now. I need to calm the fuck down because I'm having a panic attack.
Oh, boo-boo. Boo-boo.
Hey, come on in. I'm so sorry. The place is such a mess. I wasn't expecting anybody. Oh my gosh, I'm so embarrassed. Oh, hey, what's up? Come on in, yeah. I cleaned up for you.
Hello.
Hey, I just want to say, your girlfriend is ugly!
This that great poupon, that avion, that walkie slide.
Throw hands, the throw hands, the throw hands, the throw hands, the throw hands. Hey, I got everything. I got everything.
Look.
Hey, Mom. Bye.
Hey! What the heck?
Asking if I think everybody on this planet just needs one of them?
Yo, thanks for buying the food. This is fire. Yeah, no problem, bro. I got you. Yeah, I got you next time, though. No, you good.
For real?
You good.
You
Trust
sure?
me. Trust me.
Alright.
Yeah. Take the top off, though. You said what? The top. Take it off. Look, man, I didn't know that's what we were doing here. I thought we were just hanging out. I could pay you for the food. I'll pay you for the food. Oh, what are you talking about? Take the top off. Okay. Whoa, hey, what are you doing? I'm doing what you said. I don't even know I agreed to hang out. I said take the top off. What? The car. We're in a convertible, bro. It's hot in here. You gotta press that little button right there. You really about to take your shirt off for some food?
Yeah.
You gotta respect yourself more. If you're that down bad, just ask me. I'll give you some money. Oh, good, thank you.
Psych, what you thought this was? This isn't a convertible.
What?
Take the top.
I'm fine. I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be just fine. I'm just gonna be just fine.
Guys, today I'm gonna... What do you want? I'm trying to make a TikTok. Sorry guys, my cat came in my room. Do you want to say hi? He wants to say hi. Come here.
Travis Scott released a Happy Meal box as part of his collab with McDonald's. It's got the McDonald's smile and the Cactus Jack logo. It's actually a clutch with a chain strap. I'm loving it. Gotta go. Huh?
Papa.
Part 2, man. Thanks for seeing it. Hold up. I got you. Oh! In my ear! What the God damn it! Yes, sir. Aim the goddamn flashlight.
I'm so excited for this sleepover, you guys. We're gonna get lit. My mom bought Capri Suns and Doritos.
So I was thinking, like, a really good way that we can start off a sleepover and, like, get to know each other better is to go around in a circle and say one thing that we hate about each other. But, like, no one can get mad.
Yeah,
like, no
yeah.
one can cry. Oh, shut the fuck up, Molly. No one even wanted you here. My mom made me invite you. Taya, truth or dare?
Truth.
Who do you like?
Never mind, I do dare.
Okay, I dare you to tell me who you like.
No, guys, I'm serious. I'm officially on a diet.
I'm fine. I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be just fine. I'm just gonna be just fine.
Oh my god. Jesus. Do you like it?
Sometimes you can choose to not be a dick. Yes. Thank you.
I'm fine. I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be just fine. I'm just gonna be just fine.
I have a question.
What is your name, sir?
Hi, my name's Tom, by the way.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Chris Pratt. I have a question for Mr. Chris Pratt. My question for you is, of all the actors in the world, of all of the actors, who is your favorite actor?
Denzel. Denzel Washington. Yeah. Yeah, he's great.
No, don't applaud. Oh, sorry. Okay, yeah, that's cool. I like Denzel too. Okay, how about an actor whose name begins with Tom?
Tom Cruise. He's great.
His second name began with an H. Tom H.
Oh, Hanks. Tom Hanks. Beautiful day. Oh, I see where this is going.
Okay, we've got him now.
Tom Hardy.
Try younger.
Wow. Hiddleston. Oh, yeah.